What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the multifamily movement here. I'm actually at another house that's for sale. Went to the open house, and this time I met an owner agent, and I got to know his story. And him and his wife, they actually flip 1 to 2 houses every single year, right? And so they got 2 houses on the market right now. I went and did the research, and I found that they bought the first one for 110,000. They bought the other one for 138,000. They're trying to sell them for 349,000, and the other one for 369,000. Let's just say they put in 100,000 to each house. They're going to be clearing well over $300,000. Of course, they're going to get taxed because it's going to be they're going to get taxed because it's a flip. But here's what I found was unique about them. Guess what? They use the same exact architectural blueprint for both houses. So they didn't have to pay an architect twice. They know what works. They were able to probably get some volume discounts on materials. So imagine if you played the long-term game and tried to acquire one multifamily home every year until you retired. Imagine how set up you would be if you pursued that strategy. I just thought it was brilliant and wanted to share.